Reinforcement learning just earned computing's highest honor, the 2024 Turing Award. And in the past 2 years, it became core to how every major AI model is trained. What makes RL different from other machine learning? In supervised learning, you provide labeled examples and the model learns the mapping. In reinforcement learning, there are no labels. An agent takes actions in an environment and receives a reward. Its goal: maximize total reward over time. 4 things set RL apart. First, feedback is evaluative, not instructive. You learn how good your action was, not what the best action would have been. Second, the data you see depends entirely on your own choices. Third, consequences can be delayed. An action taken now might only pay off many steps later. And fourth, you face a constant tension: exploit what you know or explore the unknown. This is the agent environment loop. At every step, observe a state, pick an action, receive a reward. Repeat. The multi-armed bandit is the purest RL problem, a row of slot machines with unknown payouts. Which lever do you pull? 4 strategies emerge. Greedy always picks the best-looking option, but gets locked in early on a mediocre arm. Epsilon greedy adds a small random exploration chance, which helps. Optimistic initialization tricks the agent into exploring by starting with inflated estimates. And UCB, upper confidence bound, is the sharpest. It explores in proportion to uncertainty, focusing exactly where knowledge is thinnest. Run all 4 on a 10-arm testbed. UCB wins. It learns faster because it stops wasting pulls on arms it already understands. That is the foundation: evaluative feedback, sequential decisions, and the eternal tension between what you know and what you don't. Everything else in RL builds from here. Please put your questions in comments.